Many JBL EON 615 users experience Bluetooth connectivity problems, especially with firmware versions from 2020 to 2024. These issues are more common than you might think. The most frequent problems include pairing failures with newer iOS devices, audio latency issues on Android, connection drops during extended use, and compatibility problems with newer Bluetooth 5.0 devices. The first troubleshooting step is performing a complete system reset. This resolves most connectivity issues by clearing the Bluetooth memory and resetting the connection protocols. Here's how to perform the reset. First, power off your EON 615 completely. Then hold the Bluetooth button for exactly 15 seconds while the unit is off. Next, power the speaker back on and wait for the full boot cycle, which takes 45 to 60 seconds. Finally, clear the Bluetooth cache on your source device. After the reset, proper pairing technique is crucial for establishing a stable connection. Follow these optimization steps for the best results. For optimal pairing, ensure your devices are within 3 feet of each other and disable any other Bluetooth devices in the area to avoid interference. Always use the Forget Device option on your phone before attempting to repair. This clears any corrupted pairing data that might cause connection problems. Most importantly, initiate the pairing process from the EON 6115 first by pressing its Bluetooth button, then search for the speaker from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves the majority of JBL EON 615 Bluetooth connectivity issues. These techniques work for both iOS and Android devices. Keeping your JBL EON 615 firmware updated is crucial for optimal Bluetooth performance. The latest firmware version as of 2025 is 3.2.1 or newer, which specifically addresses iOS 17 compatibility issues. To update your firmware, you'll need the JBL Connect app version 4.8 or newer. Connect your EON 615 to your computer using a USB cable for the most reliable update process. During the firmware update process, be patient as the speaker downloads and installs the new firmware. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and should not be interrupted. After the firmware update completes, perform a factory reset to ensure all settings are properly configured. This clears any cache data that might interfere with the new firmware. Now let's cover advanced optimization techniques. For environmental optimization, maintain separation between your speaker and Wi-Fi networks operating on the 2.4 GHz band. Position the speaker away from metal surfaces and ensure a clear line of sight between devices. For iOS devices, disable handoff and AirPlay features during Bluetooth use, as these can interfere with the connection stability. These features compete for Bluetooth resources and can cause audio dropouts. For Android devices, manually set the Bluetooth codec to SBC in the developer options. This ensures compatibility with the EON 615's audio processing capabilities and prevents codec negotiation conflicts. By following these firmware update and optimization steps, you can resolve most Bluetooth connectivity issues with your JBL EON 615 and ensure long-term reliability. Regular maintenance and proper configuration are key to consistent performance.